Now we are going to solve the fifth problem in the chapter 9. So in this problem you are asked to calculate the mass defect and binding energy per nucleon of the nucleus 47 Ag 108. Here Ag is nothing but silver. Its atomic mass is given 107.905949 AMU. AMU is simply written as U. All the masses of the proton, neutron, everything should be measured by the unit called AMU. Its symbol is U. Here 47, this is the atomic number. Otherwise it is also called as number of protons. The number of protons present in the Ag is 47. 108 is nothing but mass number. Mass number minus atomic number, that one gives you the number of neutrons. So number of neutrons is equal to N is equal to A minus Z. Therefrom we are able to get the number of neutrons present in the silver nucleus. 108 minus 47 is equal to 61. So 61 neutrons are present in the silver nucleus. Here first we have to calculate the mass defect. Are you clear? Here mass of the hydrogen nucleus, hydrogen atom is given, mass of the neutron is given, mass of the atomic mass of the Ag is given. So to calculate the mass defect, which formula to be used? I will write the formula, later we will substitute. Mass defect is equal to, that is represented by the letter del M. The formula is ZMH, that is number of protons into mass of hydrogen atom, plus number of neutrons into mass of single neutron. Okay, this part must be calculated, minus mass of the atomic mass of the Ag must be calculated. Substitute all the value here. How to substitute? All are ready. Is it clear? With the help of all the available value we can calculate. 47 is the number of protons into mass of hydrogen atom is how much? 1.007825. This part must be calculated. And then number of neutrons is 61. Number of neutron is 61. Mass of single neutron is 1.008665 AMU. Is it clear? This part must be calculated. Minus this value. How much? 107.905949 AMU. Are you clear? So here multiply the value, you will get this value as 47.36775 AMU. This part is calculated, and if you multiply both you will get the answer as 6565 you will get. Are you clear? So as usual the same value must be written. 107.905949 should be written. After that these two must be added. This two factor must be added. Don't forget 108. How much? 108.89634. Both of them are added. Atomic mass unit is mentioned as U. Minus 107.905949 atomic mass unit. Now we are able to calculate the mass defect. If you subtract the value from one value to another one, the mass defect is 0.990391. So this is the value called mass defect. So this much amount of mass that disappears when the silver nucleus is formed. Are you clear? When all nucleons are combined, what will happen? After forming the nucleus, this much amount of mass that disappears. The disappearing mass is called mass defect. That mass defect will be converted into binding energy. Are you clear? Mass is converted into binding energy. So how to calculate the binding energy? Next formula is B is equal to, binding energy is equal to, simple formula, that is del M. Del M must be taken in AMU. So clear, that must be multiplied by 931 million electron volt. Are you clear? The mass defect must be substituted. After that, that one must be directly multiplied with 931 million electron volt. Don't forget the formula. Are you clear? So I'll substitute 0.990391 AMU into 931 million electron volt. After calculating, you will get the answer as 922.054 021 million electron volt. So this is the value called binding energy of the silver nucleus. So this much amount of energy is required to bind the nucleus of the silver nucleus. Binding energy per nucleon, that is the next factor to be calculated. What is binding energy per nucleon? Now we are going to calculate what is the contribution of each nucleon, either by proton or by neutron. How much amount of energy is contributed by each nucleon, clear, while combining to form the nucleus. That is called binding energy per nucleon. How to calculate? Binding energy per nucleon can be calculated by this factor to be taken, that should be divided by which one? That mass number. Are you clear? So that one gives you the total number of protons and neutrons. So binding energy divided by mass number, that one gives you binding energy per nucleon. Now I am going to write Be by A, that can be written as B bar. This is called binding energy, this is called binding energy per nucleon. Be by A can be written as Be bar. Substitute 922.054021 million electron volt divided by how much? 108. That is the mass number. Are you clear? So after substitution, you will be getting the answer as 8.531, 8.539 million electron volt. So this is the amount of energy that is contributed by each nucleon, so clear, while combining to form the silver nucleus. This is called binding energy per nucleon, this is called binding energy, this is called mass defect. Step by step you have to go. Are you clear? So the important formulas, first you should know the formula to calculate the mass defect, next you should know the formula to calculate the binding energy, next you are going to, finally you should know the formula to calculate the binding energy per nucleon. 3 formulas are there. All the 3 formula must be thoroughly known. Okay. Thank you.